Hello, today's addition to our Timeless Treasure Room Box project is this lovely Victorian hat box. I have another simple hat box tutorial which is in the pink and gold birthday party scene playlist. Please do check it out if you want to make a simpler one. Don't forget to check the materials and the pattern link in the description box. Begin by printing the pattern and then sealing it with a transparent sealer. Then cut the pattern. Be aware that the round pattern comes in two different sizes. One is bigger than the other. I am going to use this printed cardstock as my final material. You can get this in most hobby shops in the scrapbook section. Next, trace the pattern on the non-printed side. Now, cut the final material. Next, take a thin ruler and fold the teeth of the pattern. I will work on assembling the box cover first, so I will get the big round patterns and the small strip. Next, loosen the strip so it will be easier to glue around the round pattern. Apply glue to the teeth of the strip and glue this to the round pattern. Make sure that the print is facing up. Take the photo and glue this on top of the hat box cover. And then do the same steps to make the hat box body. At this point, you can add additional ornaments for the hat box. So here I will just make it simple by adding a lace on the edge of the cover. And lastly, don't forget to add the box handle. Here's another way to make the hat box nicer if you don't have a printed cardstock. Just print it in any thick paper or white cardstock and cover it with a washi tape and simply cut the excess tape. Do the same thing with the body. The thing I like about washi tapes are that they have many small printed patterns which really suit for 1/12 scales. That's it guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more Timeless Treasure Room Box project. Bye bye and see you next time.